And this is my total sales combined.
Pretty flower, pretty rose, pretty highs, pretty lows, pretty friends, pretty foes.
Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Mocha, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today we're gonna be doing Entrepreneur Life episode 10. Episode 10, woo! Y'all, before I get into this video, we hit 6K. We hit 6K. Actually, right now we're at like 6,500. But y'all, I just posted my last video like 2 days ago, and we had just hit like 5K, and now we're at 6K. Like I don't know what to say. Like, I feel like we're moving so fast, and I thank you guys so much for like watching my videos, and you know, thank you. But as you noticed by the title of this video, today I'm going to be talking about how I made over $4,000 selling lip gloss. First off, I'm going to start off with how I started this business, okay? I'm going to go back a little bit into my first lip gloss business first, and then I'm going to come back and talk about this current one, which is Mocha P Beauty. Okay, so I first started a lip gloss business back in 2017, end of 2017, beginning of 2018, and it was called Gloss of Girl Cosmetics. I got the name Gloss of Girl actually from I don't know if you guys ever read the Click series. I started that first lip gloss business, and it went okay. It didn't go like amazing. It was okay, and I started it with really not much money. My mom helped me invest into it. I didn't have that much stock. I just had a few tubes, you know, that ordered. I had a few mailers, a few things like that, glitter and all of that. But the thing was, your girl did not know how to make lip gloss, okay? I did not know. At that time, there were no videos or barely any videos up on YouTube on how to make lip gloss. Like, I struggled, y'all. Like, I really struggled. So, first, let me tell you. First thing I did was I tried to mix pre-made lip gloss, like regular lip gloss, with the glitter. That did not work. The glitter literally would separate from the lip gloss. Like, after it was sitting for about a day or so, the glitter would separate from the lip gloss, you guys. Like, it was just a mess, and you couldn't mix it back up. It was a mess. And also what I did was I squeezed the gloss into the tube, and then I put the glitter and tried to put it in there. I tried to like mix it up in the tube. When I think about it now, it's so stupid. Like, I don't know why I thought that would even work, but hey, you gotta get it how you get it, right? You gotta get it how you get it. I tried doing it that way. That didn't work. So I eventually found out that there's a lip gloss base that you can make or buy. So I started making that, and I actually figured out how to make the lip gloss base and mix it with the glitter and the pigment. That way, or I only used glitter back then, and that way it wouldn't separate in the lip gloss. Like, it stays all one, you know, formula. So anyways, so but then the problem was how to get the lip gloss into the lip gloss tube. So what I did was I went and I bought a baby like medicine syringe, I think from Walmart, and that did not work because you couldn't, it literally locked up. So I just tried like sucking it up, but it just didn't work. It didn't work. It was too thick. It wouldn't go up it. It was just a mess. It was a big fat syringe, but it literally had this little teeny tiny little like end part like a teeny tiny little like needle looking thing, honestly, at the end. It was like a turkey baster. Like, that's basically what it was. You know, when you stab the turkey and put like the juices in it, you know. So I tried using that. I put the mixture in the top of the syringe. Bro, it was too thick. Like, it took me 10 years to try to push that stuff out of that, because it was like a little tiny hole on the side by the needle part. I had to like push it. It was so hard. Like, I could only make like 5 lip glosses before I got tired, and I was like, I'm done. So I had a website and everything. It's actually still up, so I'm gonna show you guys it real quick. So here are my glosses. I had one called Lollipop. Shout out to all the pairs from Rick Ross. This one was 90s Baby. I still have that one. Dirty Sprite, and It's Peachy. And they're all $8 for a squeeze tube. Y'all, That business was a struggle, and when I finished I made about $200 at the end from all the orders I had. So I did ship out a few, but then there were some problems with some orders. It was just a mess, so I just gave up. Honestly, at that point I literally said forget it, I can't do it, it's not working. So I just gave up. So then after that I was gonna start it up again. I started making some new glosses, experimenting with new tubes and all this stuff. I still just didn't pick it back up. I don't know why. I guess I just didn't have the motivation for it because the first time didn't go so well. Fast forward to March 2019. Or let's fast forward to like December 2018. So in December of 2018, I wanted to start an eyelash business. Like I was so like into eyelashes. Like I really wanted to start an eyelash business. I was researching vendors, researching how to sell them, all that stuff. Like I really wanted to do that. By the time March came, I was like, okay, you know, let me just go ahead and launch this business. Like I really was just like, I was like, let me launch this business. I already did my research. I had to do a lot more actually. I was like, I already did some research. I know what I need to do. I know how much money I need. Let me just start it, right? So finally at that time I was like, okay, well if I want to sell eyelashes, let me go ahead and sell lip gloss also. Why not, you know? I know how to make it already. And yeah, whatever. And by that time I had found out how to make lip gloss the better way and how to use a regular syringe and, you know, all of that good stuff. So yeah, so around March 16th, March 15th, I came up, or around that week, like March 11th, I could show you guys. I can't find my other planner, but okay, what I did was I have a happy planner. This is my planner right here. And if you guys like planner videos, let me know because I love planning. Like I have a couple of planner videos on my channel. They did pretty good. So let me know if y'all want to see some planner videos. But this is my happy planner right here. I had a bigger one that was for my business actually. And what I did was I used one of these sheets, which is the budget extension right here, and it's like an expense tracker. So what I did was I wrote the amount of the item, and then I wrote the item right here, and then when I finally bought it, I wrote down the date that I bought it and with what. So that way I wrote down all the stuff that I needed. I wrote down everything I needed. I researched everything. I went through many vendors. I went through a lot of websites, a lot of stuff, and I wrote down every single thing I needed to start my eyelash and lip gloss business. By the time I finished adding everything together and I made sure I had everything I needed down to gloves and flavoring, you guys, I literally think it ended up at like $500. Yeah, it ended up at about $500. So $500 was the initial investment I needed to start my business. So guys, what I did was, this was literally the perfect time to start because it was my birthday. Because my birthday was coming up on the 17th of March. So, you know what your girl did. I made sure every single birthday present I got was something to do with YouTube or some money to invest into my business. Because why not? I took advantage of the fact that it was my birthday. I was going to get gifts anyways, or money anyways, and I want to use it for a worthy cause. So, after I got all my money together, I started ordering. I started ordering. I ordered every single thing I needed and made sure I had everything all together. My logo, I made that myself. My website, I made it myself. What else? Since I made them myself, I just, you know, went through designing everything, making sure I loved how everything was looking. And I also got some wand tubes instead of squeeze tubes because these are super cute. Because these were like super cute. So once I had everything, around the, I want to say literally at the end of March is when I started getting everything, and I started selling from handoffs. I started selling in my city. So quite a few people actually hit me up through social media to buy some of my products. So I had some lip glosses, but at this time I had them in squeeze tubes, and then I also had some lashes. I made about $200 around that time before the end of March just selling my lashes and my glosses offhand. So right at that time, my lashes were my best-selling product. So, you know, I kept running with the lashes. I ordered more lashes. I made sure I got my cases and everything like that. Glosses, you know, they're okay, they're cool or whatever. So April comes, you know, April's kind of slow, you know, it's moving all right. I think I made about, you know, 500 maybe in April, and then I ended up having a vendor table at the beginning of May. At the vendor table, I made about $100 something just solely from selling glosses, you guys. Only glosses. And at that time, my glosses were $8, and I think I did a buy one get one free sale. So it went amazing. I can post a video of my vendor table experience if you guys want to see, because I'm actually doing another one at the same place at the end of this week. So let me know if you guys want me to vlog that experience. But yeah, so at that time I was realizing that my glosses were honestly the best potential selling product on my site. So I was like, let me get this going. So I made my website was up. I was promoting through my social media, through my business page, through stuff like that. And that is also when I made my first YouTube video about my business and everything. So yeah, guys. And then last month, my YouTube started growing, and my Instagram business page started growing like pretty rapidly. Like they both started growing pretty fast. So I started getting a lot more sales than I usually did. My sales like skyrocketed. So at this time, my sales, I think I made like $2,000 or $3,000 just in the month of June, like end of April to June. Like it's crazy. Like my sales skyrocketed. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the story of my business and how I started it and everything I did to get it going. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick my Shopify so I can show y'all some receipts on how much I've been making. But yeah, let me show you guys my current website. I made this website myself. This is my current website. It's actually an updated version of my old website that I first had, but you guys, it is so pretty. Made this site myself. But yeah, that is my site. If you guys want to go shop, it's a super easy domain name. All you gotta do is go to mochapbeauty.com. Boom. Okay, let me show you guys my Shopify real quick. So March 27th, I made my first sale. And there that is. That is my first sale I ever made. And I'm gonna show you guys from March 27th till now, which is June 24th. And these are this is my total sales combined from March 27th to March 27th to June 24th. So I made about $4,000 online on my site in total. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's basically what you guys want to see in this video. But I did want to say that most of that money I do, I pay myself a little bit, but not much. Just, you know, just a little bit, and then I put the rest back into my business so I can restock everything, so I can have more lip gloss kits in hand and stuff like that. So yeah, like recently I just sold out of my glosses. I had 100 tubes that I ordered, 100 wand tubes, and I sold out. Then I had 25 brush tubes I sold out. You guys are going crazy, okay? But yeah, so I had to restock really fast because I didn't want that momentum to, you know, cave. I want that momentum to keep going. And if you guys want to know how to grow your business, basically consistency. And I also have a whole video on how to grow your business and how to increase your sales. That was my last video, episode 9. So go watch that to figure out how to grow your business super fast, as well as your Instagram business page. All right, y'all, so I have been growing, and I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for shopping, for everything, guys. Like, it's freaking crazy. Like, we're at 6K subscribers, y'all. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment down below of what you guys want to see me do next. And don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified when I upload again. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye.